Mounting a TV to the wall is space-saving, aesthetically attractive, and just generally preferable to having it sit on a heavy, chunky, clunky stand atop your entertainment console. But how in the HE double hockey sticks is this 60 to 100 pound hunk of metal, plastic, glass, and electronic components going to hang on the wall without ripping a hole through your drywall the size of a meteorite impact crater? Mounting a TV yourself isn't insurmountable. It can be done, and I'm going to show you how right now. Watch. First, choose the spot on the wall where you want your TV mounted. Most mounts come with a handy paper guide to help you find the studs in your wall and match those spots to the mount. Affix the guide to the wall in the desired position. Use a stud finder to pinpoint the studs behind your drywall and mark the spots in your guide holes. Use a power drill to drill the holes where you marked them. And now it's time to affix your mount to the wall using the provided screws. Have a helper hold the mount as you drill in the screws. Next, we'll attach these brackets to the back of the TV. These are what will attach the TV to the mount. Using the provided bracket screws that fit your TV, screw them to the mounting holes on the back of the TV using the provided spacers if needed. And now, for the big moment, it's time to mount your TV. Have a friend help you with this part. Align the groove of the TV mounted bracket with the top edge of the mount and snap it into place per the instructions of your specific mount model. And finally, stop to self-indulgently admire your stunning display of home improvement prowess. And there you have it. Your TV is securely mounted. And your chances of it coming loose and damaging your drywall are remote.